To cut a stock hair system to a smaller size, you will need a mannequin head, your client's hair system, scissors, soft tape measure, tailor's chalk pen. Today we will cut this 8 inches by 10 inches hair system to a 7 inches by 10 inches one. To start, use a tape measure to get an accurate size. Take ½ inch inside of both left and right sides of the hair system, mark it with chalk. Draw lines along both sides. Adjust the line and draw to the back to get a nice U shape for the hair system. Cut along the line to get the rightly sized hair system for your clients. Trim off unwanted parts to get a smooth edge.